Alright, next we're going to change the transmission fluid. I already broke the fill plug loose just to make sure it would come off. Now I was real happy with the way the final drive fluid looked. It looked like it's just changed. Transmission fluid was probably just changed as well, but I'm going to go ahead and change it. That way I know what's been done. I keep a log of everything on my bike, so I can log when the fluid was changed last. I know it's clean, and that way I can have good records for it. So BMW had a great idea on this drain to drain it out, and they gave you this kind of long channel here that cut out to drain it, but it drains right on the exhaust and then runs down and just makes a huge mess. So I'm going to make a little probably out of paper or something, just a little funnel to kind of drain it out, pull it out over, so it'll drain out hopefully in the pan and not all over the exhaust to make a huge mess. Okay, got the drain plug back in with the crush washer. I'm going to torque it down to 17 foot-pounds. There we go. And we're going to fill it back up. And it takes 800 milliliters. And I'm using 80-90 weight in the trans. If I can find what I did with my funnel. So, don't know if a funnel's going to work on that actually. Let me see if I can find something to, some kind of rubber tube or something just to fill this up. Okay, found a piece of 5/16 hose. So I'm just going to got 500 milliliters here. Just going to pour it in slowly. Like I said, I like to measure mine out, just so I know I have enough in there and the right amount. Just peace of mind for me. Some people say just fill it up to the bottom until it starts draining some out and then you're good. But I like to do it this way. To each his own, everyone can do it the way they want. It's a little slower process, but I know what's in there. Alright, so that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to pause the video here, I'm going to fill it up, and be back. Alright, put the rest of the fluid in. Now I'm torquing this down to 17 foot-pounds. There we go. That should be good to go.